In this video, I walk you through diagnosing and fixing a common condensate pump problem that can cause your furnace to stop working intermittently. My furnace was shutting off from time to time, so I started with the basics. Checking the condensate pump. The pump was completely full of water and not pumping, which was triggering the furnace to shut down. At first, I considered replacing the entire pump, but instead, I found a much simpler and cheaper fix. This pump uses two internal float switches. The first switch turns the pump on and starts draining water. The second safety switch shuts off the furnace if the water level gets too high. After noticing that the pump would work when I jiggled the first switch, I knew the switch was failing. I picked up a replacement float switch for about $3, Amazon link below, and replaced it instead of buying a whole new pump. Inside the pump, release the retaining clip and remove the switch holder. Disconnect the wires from the old switch and connect them to the new one. Reinstall the switch into the holder and secure it back in place with the clip. The pump is now ready to be reconnected to the furnace drain. Amazon link to the replacement switch is in the description below. If this video helped you, consider liking, subscribing, and sharing. It really helps the channel.